In this video, a drone production plant for the Geran drone is shown. The facility was established in 2023 within the Special Economic Zone of Alabuga. It already boasts an annual production capacity of 30,000 to 50,000 units. While the drone retains the external shape of the Iranian Shahed 136, the Geran is now a fully modernized and localized system. All critical components, including the engine, microelectronics, GLONASS navigation modules, antennas, electro-optical systems, fuselage, and internal harness, are entirely produced in Russia. One of the key innovations is the electro-optical sensor, which allows operators to manually guide the drone during its terminal phase. The drone weighs around 200 kilograms and can be launched either via a solid fuel catapult or from a pickup truck. It has a range of 2,000 kilometers and is powered by a 50-horsepower engine, cruising at speeds of up to 180 kilometers per hour. The warhead itself weighs 90 kilograms. Due to its low production cost, the Geran can be manufactured in large numbers, as evident from the sheer number of airframes seen in the facility. These drones are launched daily and have become a significant challenge for Ukrainian forces as they steadily deplete their air defense systems. Even when intercepted, the Geran still achieves strategic success, winning the engagement economically.